What's up everyone? Welcome to our YouTube channel. I'm Tyler Hilliard with Urban Timber, and today you're going to follow along as we install the Nocterra Brewing bar in Powell, Ohio. You might have seen from our Instagram photos, this bar consists of 3 natural edge walnut slabs with 2 waterfalls and some of the curliest grain we've had our hands on. Now, we were lucky enough to get our hands on these logs from our friends over at Joseph Tree Service. Once they were brought down to our log yard on the south side, we then milled them into 3-inch thick slabs with our Lucas mill. That's where they rested for 18 months while air drying before we put them in our dehumidification kiln to bring them on down to single-digit MC. Once the boards are dry, they are then surfaced on our wood whiz. This machine can surface up to 6 foot wide and almost 18 feet long. We then fill the voids with epoxy. Large voids is done with liquid plastic. Smaller stuff, like ones you'll see in this bar top, is UV epoxy. The finish we use is Odie's oil. If you want to know more about this product, it can be seen on our online store. Nocterra Brewing Company is located at 41 Depot Street in Powell, Ohio, and will be open at the first of the year of 2019. So we had to join it all together when it was in rough form, shape it, and we had to keep it together to sand it, to make everything sand plane, and then pop it all apart, finish it, and then this will be the first time we put it together finished. As you see here, we were able to keep the bar in 3 sections, making it much more manageable to install and transport. Now here you see me laying out the 1/2-inch thick steel brackets that I'm recessing down into the wall that will support the bar top. I'm using a Japanese pole saw to establish the sidewall for the recess that the steel bracket will set in. Once I remove the waste with a router, I then clean up any remaining material with a chisel. Using stainless steel fasteners, we then securely fasten the brackets to the wall. Here you can see the Festal domino connectors being installed. These allowed us to be able to break down the bar while we were fabricating it, making it much more manageable to move and transport without compromising any integrity and strength. Once set in place, we ran into a couple of issues. We had an undesirable gap where the leg of the bar overlaid the concrete slab in the front. So some minor adjustments with the help of the Nocterra team, we were able to overcome those issues fairly easily. Now that you see it in place, this bar spans 29.5 feet, standing 42 inches tall, going down 266 inches before jetting 4 feet up the wall.
It's like my baby now, too. And I'm sanding it, and I'm just like, man, if I catch some drunk carving his initials in it or something, like, oh yeah. Take it personal.
Yeah, exactly.
If you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to hit the thumbs up, comment below what you think, and as always, subscribe. See you next time.